we have our determinant. I told us. Let's listen. Wow. I told us that in determinant we have this thing in array. We call it array. What did I say? We call it rectangular array. So it is arranged in form of what? Using something like rectangle. Is that clear to you? So if you are finding the determinant, we multiply this one. We call this one first diagonal. Is that taken out? Yes. Or is it first or leading? Sorry. I think it's leading. Leading
major diagonal.
Diagonal. The leading diagonal. This one, we multiply it. 5 times 6 give us this one, which is 30, minus 3 times 2, which is what? This one, which is 6. Then we minus it, give us what? 24. Here also, I said this one and this one, look at them here. This and this, look at the two here. Then this one times this one give us what? 40. This one times this one give us 24. We have 40 minus 24 give us 16. Is that it? Okay, now, simultaneous equation now. Now, the determinant itself for 0, that is involving removing only what? Removing D and D1 and D2. Is that taken out? If you are removing D1 and D2, what do we have? We have A1, A2, B1, B2. Look at it here. Now we are working on X, so we cover X. We have what? B1, B2, D1, D2. Look at it here. Is that taken out? Okay. Then, any question? Okay. Working on Y, which is 2. Is that taken out? Okay. So we cover what? Y. What are we having? That is it. So now, the last thing that will give us is this. I will have that x over x1, the determinant of what? 1. Is that clear now? Is equals to minus y over what? The what? 2 is equals to what? 1 over what? The 0. Is that taken out? This is the formula, joining all of them together. So x over what? This, because in this place now we are looking for x. Is that clear now? Determinant of x. So x over determinant of x, is that clear now? Is equals to minus y over determinant of what? Y. Is that taken out? And what? 1 over what? The real determinant. Is that clear to you now? So let's have a question here now. Let's have a question. Did I finish that? Yes. So let's say I have 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0. I just assume from my brain 16x minus 5y plus 50 is equals to what? 0. Is that taken? Alright. So using what we have obtained there, is that taken out? Yeah. So let's say we are working on the real what? On the real, let's say this one will have what? A1, A2, B1, B2, and what? D1, and what? D2. So we are working on what? The determinant itself. The determinant itself. So this place, what will be here is what? 20. 20. Yeah. 16. Okay, 16 now. Look at it. A2, 16. It's just that you are taking, it's not that you are taking this one out. 4. Is that taken out? So now this one times this one, what do we have? Minus 100. Minus 100. Minus what? This one times this one. 64. So 64 is 100 and what? 100 and what? 64. Minus 164. So for x1, what do we have there?
For x1, you have 4.
Yeah, yes. 4, okay. It's as if you are taking these two. Yeah. It's already there already. 4, 5, minus 5, 50,
Minus 5, 50.
Yeah, this one times this one.
400.
No,
sorry, 200.
Minus this one times this one.
Minus
25.
Minus 25 minus this one. And this one minus 5. Plus
25.
Which is what?
225.
Then the other one. So it's as if you are taking You are only removing this one. You are taking this one and this one. Have you? So 20
16.
and what?
16.
16 and what?
5.
5 and what?
50.
50. So now, this one times this one.
2,000.
1,000.
1,000.
This one times this one. 80.
80.
Is it not 80? 80. So if you remove 80 from 1,000, that is 920. Have it? 920. So then let's apply what we have there. But I need to clean this side. This one.
Let's copy this. This one is very
So I'm not going to clean that one. I'm not going to clean it. Just listing. So x over what? What is the determinant of x? Determinant of x.
minus 160. No. Okay.
225.
225. Minus, have you? Determinant of what? Y is what?
920.
920.
920. Because the determinant, we have 1 over what? The real determinant is what?
160.
Minus 164. Now the problem we are done, but the problem is this. We want to make everything here must be 1. Is that taken out? So therefore we are going to multiply this side with what? Minus 164. Minus 164. Minus 164. Is that taken out? So we now have what? X over what? Times what? Minus 164. I will not copy this one from textbook. I just use my brain to write it down. Is that taken out? Okay. So there are sometimes you can just get your answer 2. Sometimes here we may have. Let's say we have. Let me just before I go to this one. Then I will come back. Let's say I have x over what? 2. And I have minus y over what? 8. Have you? And I have what here? And I have 1 over maybe minus 2 here. Is that taken out? So if I multiply this place with minus 2, what will I have?
You have x.
Okay, let me just say x
Minus
over this one minus this one. So these two can cancel this one. So this one will now become what?
Minus.
Minus x. Is that taken out? Is equals to. So if I multiply, this is y over 8. These two will cancel this, and this one will remain what? 4. So then what will I have?
Y over
Plus.
Plus, I mean?
Yes.
So y over what? 4. So I will now have y over what? 4. Is that taken out? Okay, it's equals to
1.
this place is what? 1. Is that taken out? So here now, we can express this one as minus over minus 1. Is that taken out? Because it's still the same thing.
Yeah.
So the answer here is what you are looking for. The answer now is now what? X is equals to what? Minus 1. And what? And y is equals to what? 4. Is that taken out? So we are still going to use the same thing here. Minus y over what? 920. Is that taken out? Okay. Times minus 164, right? Okay. And this one, 1 over what? Minus 164 times what? Minus 164. This one can cancel out this one a bit.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, here, what do we have? You have minus 164 over what? 225 over x, I mean?
Yes.
X, I mean?
Yes.
Okay, minus. Here, what do we have?
164y. That is plus.
Plus 164 y over what?
920.
920. Is that taken?
Yes.
And the other one because of what?
1.
Equals to 1. Is that taken?
Yes.
Now look here. What I want you to know is this. The answer that is under, that's why we are going to what? The one they are going to what? Use. Is that taken now? Here. Okay. Here we see what? Minus 1. Here we see what? 4. So we pick this one as the answer. The one under it.
Yes.
Is that taken now? Here, what do we have here?
4.
That's what we pick. But assuming we now have this one, assuming we have 4y instead of 4 over 1, y over 4. So what do you think will be the answer?
Would have divided both sides by y.
Wait,
Set.
assuming, the one that is under, that's what we are taking.
Yes.
But let's say we now have 4y. What do you think will be the answer?
4.
Eh?
Okay, if it is just
Like if it is not
in fraction.
occurring like this, but now occurring like this, what will be the answer?
You made the 4y will be at the numerator.
No,
Like-
there's no
Like there's
fraction.
no nothing here.
No fraction at all.
No fraction at all. You can tell us the answer. The answer will be 1 over 4.
Oh.
Because this 4y is still the same thing as 4 over 1. So we revert it and it becomes what?
1 over 4.
1 over 4. This one, this is still the same thing as 1y over what?
4.
When you revert it, it becomes what? 4 over 1, which is still the same thing as what?
4.
This one is the same thing as 1x over what? Minus what?
1.
Minus 1. Is that taken out?
Yes.
So when we revert, even when we revert it million times, it's still the same thing as what? Minus 1. Is that taken out? Okay, if you have 5y now, what will it be? The answer, y will now be what? 1 over what?
5.
Over 5. But if it is y over what? Over 5. What will it be? 5 over 1, which is still as what?
5.
As 5. So when we apply the same knowledge here, when we apply the same knowledge here,
Who is that?
Yes, the center simultaneously.
here, I mean,
Simple. Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Okay, this one will become y, abi, over what? 920, abi, is equals to what? 1, abi. Therefore, here will now be x is equals to 225. So okay, we have minus 225 over what? 164. And y will now be what? 920 over what? 164. You can still break this one down, but we have gotten our answer. That is it. Just revert it. Is that clear?
Yes.
You firstly find the determinant. Is that taken out? And don't forget, this y must carry what? Negative here. You know, it's when you know, even if you know determinant very fast, you can easily use to calculate your what? Your simultaneous very fast. You can just be looking at it and just get your answer fast. And the reason why this one looks complicated is that I use my brain to give out the question.
Okay, the minus sign at the numerator, even if you revert it, the minus sign will
Still remain.
at the numerator.
It still remains.
Just a
Is that
casual
clear now?
This is a
So now give us a work now. We are
Is it
going to do.
Cramer's?
So thank you very much.
Cramer's rule?
Cramer's yes.
Please state the formula.